In this video, I will show how to make a picture fit the whole page on Microsoft Word like this. So you have to follow some easy steps. Firstly, insert picture this device and select any picture. Now right click on that picture, wrap text and select behind text. Now adjust the picture size. As your picture size. Now you can change transparency. And here you can write your text. You can make different pages with different picture. Same process. Insert picture this device and select another picture. Right click and behind text and same. Adjust the size for this picture. Like this. And if you need to change transparency for this picture, double click on it, and here you can change transparency. Once you click on picture format, so you have this option. So thanks for watching.